while since I've uploaded on this channel, but today is going to be my sort of welcome back video, and it's going to be my new makeup room. So I'm going to show you what the room looks like, what it was like before, and then what is in each drawers, the setup. Not everything's done yet, but I like it, I'm happy. I'm also going to show you where everything's from as well, because people like to know that, don't they? Anyway, so yeah, hope you like this video, and I'm hoping to be back. I'm going to film some videos each week, but I've been busy. So, yeah, hope you enjoy the video. So this is the IKEA Alex drawers. I'm going to show you what's in each drawer. Not everything is neat and tidy, including this drawer, which is a bit of a crap drawer. So the first drawer is this one, which normally looks completely messy, which it kind of does, but this is basically prep cream, some moisturisers, highlight illuminators, that kind of thing, setting powders, setting sprays, primers, mascaras, bronzer and highlighter, and pigments. I don't really know why I've put them here, but I have. Also, because it's higher up, you can sort of see a bit better like what you're picking up, rather than because of the colours and stuff. So next drawer down is the foundation drawer. I've got foundations, all different types, but oily skin, dry skin, thicker, heavier coverage, BB creams, concealers. I've got the P. Louise eyeshadow bases in here because they are quite thick. So you can actually use them as concealer apparently, but yeah, so I've just put them in here. This is obviously just like a colour correct thing. Some powders again to set foundation. And beauty blenders, which I don't really use because like I need to chuck them, to be fair, because some of them just stain. But yeah, they're not the best for like hygiene. I sometimes do use them, but yeah, I normally just buy sort of cheap ones on eBay and then just chuck them if I want to use them. Right, so that's that drawer. This drawer is my favourite drawer because it is the lash drawer. So obviously these are all tatty lashes, TL4, TL5, TL8. I'm wearing TL8 today. I actually really like them. I always snip off the end though because I find they're too big without that. Sorry. So yeah, and then we've got the glue, we've got other lashes, like smaller ones, more natural. I find it really hard to find nice, small, natural lashes. But other than these are quite popular, the tatty lashes. They look thick, but they are small. But yeah, this is my favourite drawer. Obviously, we've got scissors in here because you need to snip them to fit the eye, yada, yada, yada. Next drawer is eyeshadows, which I can never open because this drawer is filled. So right at the top is the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie MUA because I absolutely love this palette. It is my favourite. The really bright colours, but also sort of really nice bronzy, like that's kind of like a real neutral tone, like a mink. That's quite popular. But yeah, they're all very nice. I've then got the these two I use probably the most, is just the NYX Ultimate palettes. This one is obviously just your basic nudes and like neutrals, and then this one has more bright tones, but this one's actually really nice. Haven't had it that long, but yeah, really nice. So them two, and then I've also bought this. So you guys know that I have had the Jolie Beauty palette before. I don't actually know what's in the sleeve, but this one is their latest one, and look at it. I haven't actually used it yet, but it's so nice. Just some of the shades, they're just so pigmented, like look at that. Obsessed. But I bought it because I thought it'd be such a nice palette for sort of for festivals and stuff. But yeah, look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Also it has a white, love white, so underrated, man. So yeah, nice. Stop filming because I realised I used my hand and then I couldn't touch anything. So this drawer is a bit of a mess, but this is my lipstick drawer. So the reason why it's a mess is these are all my sort of overflow. The reason why is these are still popular, but I have all the ones that, oh, that's where I put it. I've been looking for that. This, by the way, the best beauty blender. This is for me. I use that on myself. Anyway, yeah, so I use the this is oh my god, my dog is doing my head in today. This is like overflow because all the popular ones that people use are here. So set on the stand. So these are all Kylie. These are Lime Crime. I think there might be a few Colourpop, yeah, there's a few Colourpop, but they're all the really popular ones. So obviously, normally people find a colour that they like from here. If they want to go for something else, then if they don't think they like any of them, then I've got more in that drawer, like I say, lipsticks, etc. But they're there because people always really want to know what lipstick to use, and sometimes they look at them while I'm doing the makeup. So that's that. Next drawer is this. So it's just nothing again. And yeah, the same. So these bottom 3 or 4 are really big. So yeah, actually one of my most favourite things I've got in the room is this stand. This is from IKEA. It's like a bookshelf, I guess, but I've just got like little bits on it. This is from the range. That's from Debenhams. That's from the range as well. It's like a little tray, and then I just bought them petals from the range as well. They're like £1 or something. And then yeah, just that's it. I showed you in other videos, but this is what the setup looks like. Mirror, just on my dog, straighteners, fan. Yeah, so this is what the setup looks like. I need something on this wall. Can't work out what I want yet. But yeah, this is set up. I've done loads of other videos, but I just wanted to go through, speak properly, you know. So yeah, my mirror from Cheshire Home Interiors. Ignore this because I've just done filming, whatever. Yeah, and there's my dog. So I'm looking for a radiator cover for here because it's annoying me, but because it's a low height, I don't know what to do or where to find one. I also got these from the range as well, so just thought I'd let you know. Lolo, happy boo. And that's my dog, best feature of the room by far. Oh, lovely. Hello, Bubba. Oh, so beautiful. And that's it really, that's the beauty room. I do makeup in here, I do hair extensions now, I do quite a lot of other things. So yeah, is that a hair? So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. I am wearing Charm Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in case anyone asks, because I know people always do when I wear them. They are expensive, and they're really expensive to get in the country, which is really annoying, but they are so good, especially the velvet finish ones. They're my fave. This one's a drying, but anyway, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, I don't know, do whatever you want to do. Yeah, see you later. Bye.